Needle codes decoded.
Ever looked at a sewing machine needle and thought, what do all these numbers and letters even mean?
Well, today, we're cracking the code. Let's dive right in. Industrial sewing machine needles differ in size, length, type, and needle point. This video will help you choose the best needle for your machine. For the basics of industrial sewing machine needles, watch this video first.
First up, needle systems. This is like your needle's birth name or secret code.
Machines are picky. They require a specific type of needle known as the needle system. This system is based on the needle's physical attributes like length and thickness. It is crucial to use the correct needle system for your machine. Needle systems generally have two groups of numbers or letters separated by an X, 135x17 or DPX5. They may also be a set of numbers with a letter at the end, 134R, or simply a series of numbers, 134 to 35. The letter. This tells you the needle system, basically, the shape and type.
Yep, size does matter. Needle size refers to its thickness or gauge, with larger sizes being thicker and stronger.
Match the needle size to the material's thickness and the thread size. Needle packages often display both metric and US needle sizes, like 90-14 metric versus US. Larger needles make bigger holes and accommodate larger threads. Bigger number equals thicker needle. Simple, right?
Now for the last letter. This tells you the point type for your fabric, and is where the magic happens.
The needle point refers to the tip of the needle. Various needle points are available, each influencing the appearance of both the hole in the material and the resulting stitch.
Pick wrong and your fabric might fight back.
Common codes. S equals sharp, for wovens. B equals ballpoint, for knits, no snagging. R equals round point, for heavy fabrics.
And since Bost specializes in walking foot industrial sewing machines, here's the breakdown of the must-have needlepoint codes for leather.
This is your everyday hero for soft leather fabrics. R-point needles, also referred to as universal or round point needles, are used for general-purpose sewing. These needles are standard for lockstitch machines and are often applied to woven fabrics and soft leather. R-point needles produce a slightly angled or irregular stitch, with the thread being slightly elevated. This is leather's worst nightmare. It cuts clean holes. DI or DIA point needles are characterized by a diamond-shaped point that creates a quadruple edge hole in leather, resulting in very straight stitches. The sewn thread is slightly raised, and the stitch holes are clearly visible. Diamond point needles are widely used for crafting leather goods such as belts, bags, footwear, upholstery, suitcases, and other similar products. For surgical precision in leather, S or NCR point needles, known as narrow cross point, have a cutting point with a lens-shaped cross-section. They create straight stitches and set threads deeper into the material. These needles are used for footwear, leather bags, belts, garments, and upholstery. This makes sexy slanted stitches. LR point needles cut leather to the right at a 45-degree angle, creating slightly slanted stitches and visible holes. They are used for decorative seams on footwear, bags, garments, and soft to medium hard leather.
Using the wrong needle could cause absolute chaos.
It could shred your fabric, break your thread, or even make your machine hate you and sound like a dying robot. Always match the needle to your material and thread.
Next time you change a needle, check these 3 things.
1. System. Does your machine approve? 2. Size. Match it to your thread. 3. Point. Is it fabric friendly? Do this, and you'll stitch like a pro. Next up, watch our final video in the Needles Trilogy, choosing the right needle for your machine. Subscribe to our Bost YouTube channel for more industrial sewing machine secrets. It's free.